Hello all, you probably wonder what this little thing is. It's called a rubber band snatch, or also called an idiot stick. And how it works is you have this little key-like thing with a little hook in there. You have the cylinder with a little rubber band. And you have to try to catch the little rubber band. And then if you do it properly, you will make sure it reflects back. See? So the trick is to get it going, because it's not as easy as it looks. You just try to put it in and it won't work. It's only when you do the very special move. Yeah, I think I've got it. Yes! That's how it works. Yeah, so everything I just said is pretty much a big fat lie. The cool thing here is that there is not really a trick. If you tell someone to catch the rubber band, they will be focused on catching the rubber band, but there's no catching the rubber band. As you can probably see, is that it's not tall enough to even get close. So how does it work? How do you snap it back in? Because the snap is for real. It's just pinching it, and by pinching it you slide your fingers and it just seems like it snaps back in. That's it. That's the trick. And I hope you like it and fool someone.